Step into the 2010 GMC Sierra 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck is still under 75,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.